Welcome everyone to the first video on our Good Shepherd Ranch channel. Finally, we are going to be sharing our moments on the farm with you. So today we are planting our garden, and this was in May. I think it was a week after the May long weekend that we actually finally planted our garden, and today we're gonna take you along with us.
Right now I am mixing in some peat moss that is going to be where I plant peas on this side and this side, and then halfway down I'm going to do cucumbers.
So let's get planting.
So I'm planting them a little bit heavier here because last year it didn't take as well, so I'm not sure why, but I've soaked these seeds. I've soaked them for a day, and now I plant them.
This year, so the soil is pretty dry.
Now we are on to planting cucumbers. And I direct seed everything. I just find that it's better for me.
This is Ivy. She likes to join us in the garden. And this year, something new for us in the garden are these table grapes that our friends gifted us. So excited to see where these go, and how they grow this year. And for summer seeds, we use this cedar, so that helps distribute it. And there's different sizes that you can twist. So here we have the lettuce all planted. We have a hose going through the middle of the garden that slow waters what we've planted. So we turn it on and it slow drips and waters, which is great. And we just secure the watering system with some metal pegs, and that keeps it in place, and we know where we've planted. And then we mark at the head of where we planted a little peg with what we've planted, and to make sure our lines are somewhat straight, as you saw, we attach a string to 2 pegs, and that helps us make the lines straight when we're digging.
We've got a gourmet mix lettuce, and that.
So now we have all the rows done that we're going to do today. We've got a lot going on. We have mixed lettuces. We have some kale, some Swiss chard, a couple rows of beets, and a couple rows of carrots. And then we just finished putting in wildflowers this row. So I'm really excited for this. And then we just have over here to do next, but that's for another day. And we are happy with what we achieved in the garden. And then to end the day, we're going to plant some peas along the fence so they can grow up the fence. Now this is about 2 months later, and it is growing really well. It is July 12th today, and we planted this in May. And everything is growing. We've got the carrots and the beets and kale and lettuce. We've got cosmos sprouting up everywhere. We've got Jordy over there. He's got some sass and attitude going for him. But yeah, everything is growing. I kind of forgot to do an update in between this time, but it all kind of grew so fast and life moved. And here we are. And now we're doing a little update for you. We have sunflowers growing and squash, and there's garlic. And potatoes are over there. It is a cheery little garden. And that is the end to this garden planting video. We hope you enjoyed. Let us know what you'd love to see from us. And there is harvest season coming up, so stay tuned for that video as well in the fall. Digging up all our potatoes and beets and carrots and getting ready for winter. We hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.